Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you all are having a great, happy new year. Today I'm going to talk about Tesla stock because they reported really good news. So Tesla ticker symbol TSLA, currently priced at $1,062. Past year up 47.68%. Past 5 years up 2,372%. So this is a very high growth stock with a lot of potential upside. Tesla, if you haven't heard of them, they manufacture electric vehicles, energy generation, as well as storage systems. Currently, their market cap is $1.06 trillion. P ratio is 342, so even though it's a very high price to earnings ratio, I think it's justified just because of their potential growth and upside. They don't have a dividend yield, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. So take a look at the recent news. Tesla Q4 deliveries beat consensus by a mile, pushing annual sales to nearly 1 million. So taking a look at the actual report, let's switch to that. You can see vehicle production and deliveries. This is directly from Tesla's investor relations. In the fourth quarter, they achieved productions of more than 305,000 vehicles and deliveries of over 308,000 vehicles. In 2021, the entire year, they delivered over 936,000 vehicles, which is very impressive. So almost 1 million Tesla vehicles in this past year. Take a look at the breakdown. You can see their Model X and Model S, which is the more expensive model, delivered 11,750. Model 3 and Model Y, the smaller ones, 296,850, 296,850. And then entire year production, Model S and X, deliveries of almost 25,000 vehicles, Model 3 and Y, 911,000. So that brings a total of 936,000. Now taking a look at this Bloomberg article, we can see that they crushed the numbers in terms of estimates. And in terms of the entire year sales, 936,000, that's up 87% year over year compared to last year, 2020, of just under 500,000 vehicles. So that kind of growth, that double digit 87%, is unheard of, but Tesla achieved that. And from one of the analysts from Wedbush Securities, Dan Ives, he also said this is a very bullish case in terms of expectations. Now taking a look at quarter after quarter, you can see right here 308,000 relative to 1 year ago, 180,000. But collectively, the past 4 quarters of 936,000, that was 87% greater than 1 year ago in terms of relative to 2020. This is very good news for Tesla, and I see that on Monday they will have very good numbers in terms of performance, and I think next year it'll continue to grow as they continue to ramp up sales. I feel like their vehicles sell itself in terms of the product. If you've ever been in a Tesla, it's very sleek, and their technology is up there in terms of their self-driving capabilities. And as more Teslas are on the road, their ecosystem and their intelligence in terms of self-driving capability continues to be stronger and smarter, and I think Tesla is the leader in this space. And even though Rivian, taking a look at their stock, they're also publicly traded. This company is based in Irvine and relatively newer, but I think they will take market share. Tesla continues to dominate in terms of the EV market. And when you ask someone what brand do they think of when you think of EV, Tesla continues to dominate. And you can see that based on the performance of the numbers, of the sales, and I think they'll continue to do well. So also for this video, what are your thoughts on Tesla stock? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below. Both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.